Breaking this morning, President Biden is selecting Ketanji Brown Jackson to replace Stephen Breyer on the U.S. Supreme Court. She would become the first black woman on the nation's highest court. NBC's Pete Williams has more from Washington.
Ketanji Brown Jackson was a law clerk for Justice Stephen Breyer. That's the man she's been nominated to succeed. She's now a judge on the federal appeals court here in Washington, confirmed for that position just 8 months ago with the votes of 3 Senate Republicans. For the previous 8 years, she was a federal trial court judge here. She was born in Washington but grew up in Miami. Her mother was a school administrator. Her father was a lawyer for the school board, and she says watching him was an early inspiration for her to seek a career in the law. She's a graduate of Harvard and Harvard Law, and that's where she met her husband, Patrick, now a surgeon. They have 2 daughters. If confirmed, she'd be the first black woman ever on the Supreme Court and the first justice since Thurgood Marshall, who retired 30 years ago with significant experience defending accused criminals. She's a former public defense lawyer. And at age 51, she'd be one of the youngest on the current court, second only to Amy Coney Barrett, who turned 50 last month. Pete Williams, NBC News, Washington.